Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're a tech enthusiast, a future-forward thinker, or just someone who's fascinated by the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence and the impact it's having on our daily lives, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting and groundbreaking, something that could change the game in AI development as we know it. We're talking about Google's latest innovation, Project Astra. Trust me, this is a topic that will blow your mind. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Project Astra, let me set the stage for you. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you see, hear, and experience has the potential to be enhanced by artificial intelligence. What if technology didn't just work for us, but it also learned to anticipate our needs, adapt to our desires, and even help us achieve things we didn't know were possible? Well, this future might be closer than we think, and Project Astra might just be the vehicle that gets us there. Let me take you back for a second. I remember a few years ago reading a piece of science fiction that predicted the world where humans and machines would seamlessly integrate, where AI wouldn't be a tool we just used, but something that coexisted with us, evolving in tandem with our daily lives. The idea seemed like something out of a movie, unrealistic and far-fetched. But then things started to change. We saw AI evolve at a rate we didn't expect, from self-driving cars to smart assistants to algorithms predicting our preferences in ways that felt almost uncanny. The signs were there. Still, nothing prepared us for what Google is about to roll out with Project Astra. Let me give you a quick background. Google, one of the world's most prominent tech giants, is no stranger to innovation. They've always been at the forefront of artificial intelligence, from their deep learning advancements to the creation of some of the most powerful machine learning systems ever built. Their developments in AI have reshaped industries, from healthcare to finance, and have changed the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. But now, with Project Astra, they're taking things to the next level. The core of Project Astra is essentially about enhancing AI's ability to integrate into our lives in an almost intuitive way. It's about making AI more than just a tool. Google wants to create an AI system that feels as natural to interact with as talking to another person. No more feeling like you're communicating with a machine. Imagine an AI that doesn't need constant input from you, but instead learns from your patterns, your behavior, and your preferences. It's not just about answering your questions. It's about anticipating what you need before you even ask. At first, this idea may sound a little intimidating. After all, we've been conditioned to think of AI as something that's either a helpful assistant or a dangerous force that could potentially replace humans. But Project Astra isn't about replacing people. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines, where both can learn from each other and work together to make life more efficient and meaningful. So, how exactly does this all work? Well, Google has spent years developing a sophisticated system that integrates multiple technologies: machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. These components work together to allow Project Astra to understand its environment in a way that feels more human-like. The AI can analyze conversations, recognize faces, interpret emotions, and even gauge tone and intent, all with an unprecedented level of accuracy. The key to Project Astra is its ability to adapt. The more you interact with it, the more it learns about you and the world around it, making each interaction more personalized and efficient. Here's the thing. Most people think of AI as something that's either all-knowing or completely unaware. We've all had experiences with virtual assistants like Google Assistant or Siri, right? And while they're incredibly useful, they're also pretty limited. They can answer questions, set reminders, and play music, but they don't exactly have the ability to understand context or nuance. Project Astra, however, takes this to an entirely new level. It's designed to pick up on subtle cues, like when you're feeling stressed or when you're about to make an important decision. It could even notice patterns in your behavior that you might not consciously be aware of, like when your productivity spikes or dips during certain parts of the day. And from there, it starts to offer solutions that are specifically tailored to your needs. To give you a clearer picture, imagine this. You're working late on a project, and your phone pings with a reminder about a meeting you have scheduled in an hour. But instead of just telling you that the meeting is coming up, Project Astra recognizes that you've been working intensely and suggests a 10-minute meditation to help you reset before your next task. Or maybe you're at a crossroads in your career, unsure of whether you should accept a new job offer. Project Astra could analyze your work habits, the goals you've set for yourself, and even your past decisions to give you a personalized recommendation that helps guide you in the right direction. It's not just about data, it's about interpreting that data in ways that enhance your life. The potential applications for Project Astra are endless. In healthcare, for example, this type of AI could be used to monitor patients in real time, alerting doctors to potential issues before they become critical. In education, Project Astra could tailor learning experiences to individual students, adjusting the pace and content of lessons based on their unique needs. The possibilities extend far beyond the traditional realms of technology, and it's thrilling to think about how Project Astra could reshape industries we haven't even thought of yet. But with all of this potential comes a big question: what about privacy? It's a valid concern, especially when we're talking about an AI system that learns so much about us on a personal level. Google has addressed this by emphasizing transparency and control. With Project Astra, users will have the ability to manage what the AI knows about them and what data it collects. There will be clear guidelines and settings that allow you to customize the level of information you share, and more importantly, how that information is used. This puts the power back in the hands of the user, ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. As you might expect, the team behind Project Astra is composed of some of the brightest minds in AI research. Google has brought together experts in neuroscience, psychology, and behavioral science, all with the goal of creating an AI that truly understands human needs. They've even collaborated with researchers in the field of human-computer interaction to ensure that Project Astra feels as intuitive as possible. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but how is it different from the AI we already have? That's a fair question. So let's break it down. One of the key differences with Project Astra is its ability to process information in a more holistic way. Traditional AI systems often focus on narrow tasks, like recommending movies or translating languages. But Project Astra is designed to understand a broad range of human behavior and respond accordingly. It's not just about performing a single function. It's about creating a comprehensive understanding of what you need, when you need it. Another major innovation in Project Astra is its deep learning capabilities. This allows the AI to continuously improve its performance over time, becoming more accurate and more effective with each interaction. The system learns not only from the data you provide directly, but also from the context surrounding that data. This means that Project Astra can provide more nuanced, intelligent responses that feel less mechanical and more human-like. Let's take a moment to explore some of the cool, lesser-known aspects of Project Astra that might surprise you. Google's ambition with this project isn't just about integrating AI into our lives. It's about revolutionizing the relationship between humans and technology. The approach is bold, forward-thinking, and certainly sets a new standard for what AI could eventually become. One of the most fascinating aspects of Project Astra is its deep-rooted integration with human emotions. It's not enough for the AI to simply be functional. It has to understand you emotionally. This is where Project Astra truly differentiates itself from other AI systems. It doesn't just react to commands, it reacts to the emotional context behind those commands. For instance, if you're feeling stressed, Project Astra might suggest activities that help you relax, whether that's playing calming music, reminding you to take a break, or offering breathing exercises. This emotional intelligence, combined with the AI's learning capabilities, creates a system that evolves with you on a deeper, more personal level. What makes it even more impressive is how Project Astra utilizes real-time data to anticipate needs. We're talking about an AI that doesn't just passively wait for you to give it instructions, but actively engages with your environment. Whether it's through sensors, voice recognition, or contextual awareness, Project Astra is designed to pick up on environmental clues like changes in temperature, your daily habits, or even the energy of the room, and adjust accordingly. Imagine an AI that can sense your environment and tailor its responses to fit perfectly within it. This is what makes Project Astra feel so intuitive. Another cool aspect is its potential in creative fields. Google is exploring how Project Astra can assist in art, music, and content creation. Picture a system that doesn't just suggest songs or recommend videos, but actively collaborates with you in real time, helping you produce music, craft stories, or generate new art. With Project Astra's deep learning capabilities, it could act as a creative partner, learning from your unique style and helping you push the boundaries of your work. This has the potential to unlock entirely new forms of art and entertainment that we've never seen before. As we look ahead, Project Astra has the power to fundamentally change how we interact with technology, not just as users, but as co-creators, thinkers, and dreamers. It's a testament to how AI can evolve from being a tool to becoming a partner in our lives. The future is no longer a question of whether AI will integrate seamlessly into society. It's a question of how deeply it will shape and enhance our personal and collective experiences. And here's where things get even more fascinating. As Project Astra evolves, it's not just going to adapt to you as an individual, but to society as a whole. Google plans to use the collective data gathered from millions of users to improve the AI's understanding of human behavior in a broader sense. This means that the AI won't just be reactive, it'll be proactive, anticipating societal trends and shifts and adapting accordingly. Imagine an AI that's able to predict global shifts in culture, economy, or health, and provide real-time solutions based on those insights. In the coming years, Google is also looking to integrate Project Astra with smart cities, making it an integral part of urban living. With the right infrastructure, Project Astra could help manage everything from traffic patterns to energy consumption, optimizing city resources in ways that we've never seen before. It could even help reduce carbon emissions by predicting and adjusting for traffic flow, energy usage, and waste management in real time. We're talking about a future where AI not only supports us, but actually helps the environment. In closing, Project Astra is more than just a breakthrough in artificial intelligence. It's a vision for the future of humanity and technology working together. It's about creating an AI that's not just smart, but intuitive, personalized, and deeply integrated into our lives. And with Google at the helm, the possibilities are endless. So, whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is for sure. Project Astra is a project that will reshape the way we think about technology, AI, and the future itself. Stay tuned, because this is only the beginning. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content. Until next time.